Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating philosophers of the ancient world, Iamblichus. In this video, we'll explore his life, his ideas, and his contributions to the field of philosophy. Let's get started. Iamblichus was born in Chalcis, Greece in 245 AD. He came from a wealthy family and received a thorough education in Greek literature and philosophy. He was particularly interested in the works of Plato and Aristotle, whose ideas would later shape his own philosophical system. In 263 AD, Iamblichus founded the Neoplatonic school in Rome. This school aimed to revive and interpret the ideas of Plato, and it quickly became a center of learning and intellectual inquiry. Iamblichus' teachings focused on the idea that the soul is immortal and that its purpose is to ascend to a higher realm of reality, known as the One. According to Iamblichus, the material world is merely a shadow or image of a higher eternal realm of reality. He believed that the One is the source of all existence and that everything else emanates from it. This idea has had a profound impact on Western philosophy, influencing thinkers such as Plotinus. Iamblichus believed that the soul plays a crucial role in the quest for knowledge and understanding. He argued that the soul must ascend through various levels of being, each corresponding to a different level of reality, in order to reach the One. This process involves the development of intuition, reason, and contemplation. Iamblichus' ideas have had a lasting impact on Western philosophy and continue to influence contemporary thought. His emphasis on the immortality of the soul and the importance of spiritual development has inspired countless thinkers and scholars throughout history. Today, his teachings remain a valuable part of the philosophical canon, offering insights into the nature of reality and the human condition. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the fascinating history of philosophy and science, please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Take care, and until next time.